Legal Studies in collaboration with the Internal Quality Assurance Cell, IQAC of Geeta Ratan International Business School, is pleased to organize an NDLI skill development workshop on comprehensive legal drafting simulation on DocMaster for law students. This workshop aims to enhance practical understanding and application of legal drafting through interactive technology-enabled simulation. The session will be conducted by Ms. Utkarsha Bartwal, Assistant Professor of Center for Legal Studies, Geeta Ratan International Business School, who will guide the participants in developing effective legal drafting skills using the DocMaster platform. A feedback form is to be filled by all the students present here at the end of the NDLI skill development workshop on comprehensive legal drafting simulation on DocMaster. Now I ask Ms. Utkarsha to proceed further for the presentation.
Good morning, everybody. I would like to tell you to kindly open a window and do not disturb the already existing server right now, and then kindly register yourself on the DocMaster legal website. It is a platform which makes life easier for everybody, be it a law student, be it any student, be it a professional, working professional, be it an advocate. So you guys will be going forward and you are completing your final semester soon, and you will be entering into the world of legal profession. So this software will help you to kind of enhance your drafting skills. You all have the subject of drafting in your final year in 9th sem. We are dealing with that already. So now the entire proposition that you will be dealing with right now, there's two people. One is a person which is Rakesh Sharma, and the other person is Mr. Mehta. So they were in a relationship of landlord and tenant. What happened is the tenant, he was not paying the money for 6 months, paying the rent for 6 months, so the outstanding arrears became 1,80,000 rupees. Now what happened is that person, the tenant itself, he wants to get the possession of the house. He wants the tenant, he wants that the landlord. So now the landlord wants the tenant to be evicted from the house. He wants the recovery of possession of his house, of which basically it's the shop, the premise is the shop. And the other thing is, he wants to proceed under section 138 because the check which was issued by the tenant to the landlord, they were dishonored, and we have already discussed Negotiable Instrument Act in class. I hope you remember that. So the same aspect of NI will be dealt here as well. So using the software right here, DocMaster, you search first. When you are registered, let me know. Is everybody registered? Those who have come now, do not disturb the existing page. Enter, open a new page and register yourself on DocMaster. And once you are done, please let me know. I'll tell you what to do next. Are you done? हुआ है यहाँ पे? किसी का रजिस्टर हुआ है?
नहीं करो, फोन कर लो मेरा क्या कर रहा है? टेढ़ी खोले चालू
Who's registered? Is anybody registered?
Details forwarding the facts of the case. So मैम ने अभी narrate किया है आपको facts, वो सारे मैंने आपको forward किए हैं. You can just go through the facts.
So now what you can do, one set of students, they can write this thing by using DocMaster. They can create the template for what? NI 138. They can use that. One set of students, they'll file an application, they'll file a suit for recovery of possession. So that's how you divide yourself. Once you will be registered, you might get an OTP. इसका OTP वाले स्टेज तक पहुंच जाए, please let me know. जल्दी पेमेंट आए.
एग्जाम नहीं बैठा किस साइड
Sir, let me know. फोन पे ट्राई करना, नेट आ रहा है एक बारी. बच्चे भी फर्स्ट टाइम Morning students. So today the session for drafting, you have to have the hands-on experience. I'll give a proposition and I will distribute the students into some drafts, and they have to create their own draft and their own templates using the facts which I give you, not just copy paste the draft from the Google. Okay. So the facts are the relationship between Ramesh Sharma and Mr. Mehta is of tenant and landlord. So basically, the tenant, being Mr. Mehta, stopped paying the rent for 6 months. So the outstanding arrears became for 1,80,000. And that tenant, being Mr. Mehta, he gave a check to pay the rent, and that was bounced due to insufficiency of funds. I have taught you NI 138. Yes. So now what you have to do? Two of you will be creating a template for complaint draft for 138. Two of you will be filing a suit to recover the possession from the tenant. It's a shop premises, so you want to recover the possession of the said shop. Three of you will be creating a power of attorney. Okay, general power of attorney. Then three of you will be doing what? You will be filing an affidavit. Okay. So start it, but you have to incorporate these facts into your drafts. I'll make a link on ERP. You upload that draft on ERP. Yes, and give me hard copy later on in the class. Kashish, I sent the question proposition.
Yes.
Group पे भेज दो.
Please,
Ready? Use that proposition and incorporate those facts into your draft. And if anybody wants my assistance, let me know. I used to be helping. चलो आइए.
स्मार्ट बच्चा ना मानव ड्राफ्ट बना के गया है, वो भी गलत बना के गया है. अटेंडेंस है फिर अटेंडेंस.
Pay the compromises. Yes, Pasha. What is the something? Yes, Nimisha. Pranay. ये नहीं चल रहा. Start with your own drafting. इसमें जाओ, Google में जाओ. Find draft. लगाओ इधर नीचे पूछो. Draft. Find a draft. Notice to tell under 106 TPA. वहाँ से notice को ढूंढ के take that notice. यहाँ पे तुम उसको ऑप्शन करो and you use all these facts to incorporate the notice. Yes. Plaintiff is Ramesh and the other